Welcome to the channel, everyone. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build on the Fast and Furious Dom 71 Plymouth GTX, but I'm going to build it as a stock vehicle. This kit here is Revell, and it has, let's see, oh, here we go. It doesn't say. It has some parts in it. I don't know how many parts are in here. Oh, there it is, 87. So this will be a quick build. I'll get everything laid out on a bench and I'll be right back with you. Alrighty, so like I said, this will be a quick build, hopefully. There are 87 parts, and it looks like everything is out here except for the glass and the decals. Instructions right there. I did notice that there are two different styles of wheels, which is cool because I want to put the stock wheels on there. And fortunately, the chrome, I have that sitting off camera here. The chrome has the actual like Chrysler Rally rims, so I'll put those on here. I always like that look. So I'll get right on to cutting everything off the trees here, and as always, I'll be back in a minute. Split second for you guys. Alrighty guys, things are going well. I've got the exhaust glued down here and the Tamiya clamp holding things in place. Body is looking good. Motor is coming along. I've got a few little pieces detailed out on there. Nothing big deal, but you know, something to make it look a little better. We got to put the chrome bits on there, and then that'll go inside. I did the engine block in the same body color, in the same color as the body, to give it that kind of 80s feel to it. And exhaust to go on, distributor, some miscellaneous bits, and it should be all wrapped up. Interior and the hood are out in the paint booth drying. I had to redo those. I just didn't like the way they looked. So they'll be ready here in a little while. And it should be, next segment, provided everything goes well, will be the completed vehicle. So alright guys, I'll be right back. Again, I appreciate y'all being here, and we'll see you in a second. Well, there it is, folks. 71 GTX. Panther Pink with the flat black hood. All the appropriate decals and insignias and that. This one here came out beautiful. Can't wait to put this one on the shelf. The most difficult part of this build was putting the chassis onto the body, simply because the panel, let me see here. Let's see if I can get a good angle on it. The panel where the bottom valance there, where the exhaust comes through, the instructions want you to glue that on first before you put the chassis together with the body. The issue is that the exhaust tips stick out into the bumper, and really the only way that I could figure out how to do it properly was to bend the exhaust down with my hands enough so that they would clear going the bumper and that going in, and then I had to reverse bend them, which was fun. But other than that, the rest of the build was pretty straightforward. So I enjoyed the heck out of this one. Let me show you the engine details here while I'm thinking about it. We'll go ahead and pop that right off. That came out kind of cool. I like the way that looks. You know, no wiring or anything, but just real clean look. I think I showed a picture of the interior. That came out really nice. So there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed that one. I appreciate you all stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.